Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the types of operators in Python. So please walk through with me. So the first type is arithmetic operators. Those are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, float division. So the difference between the division and the float division, the quotient value it is in float form. If you use the float division means quotient value in integer form. That is the only difference. Exponent, modulus or remainder. So these all are the arithmetic operators. Next type is comparison operators. Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, equal to, not equal to. These all are the comparison operators. The third type is logical operators. Those are and, or, not. Only three types. Next one is bitwise operators. And, or is the pipe sign, not is the complement, XOR is the hat, and right shift, left shift. So these all are the bitwise operators. The next type is assignment operators. So assignment operators are two types, pre and post. If we write the symbol before equal sign, it is a pre. If the symbol after the equal sign means it is post. So here it is pre-increment, pre-decrement, pre-multiplication, pre-division, pre-float division, pre-exponent, pre-modulus. So here you can see all the symbols are before equal sign. Now the post means the symbol after the equal sign. So pre-decrement, post-decrement, sorry, post-increment, post-decrement. Now the next type is identity operators. So identity operators are is not. The last type is membership operators. Membership operators are in, not in. So these are the 7 types of operators in Python. So in next video, I'm going to show you the program for each operator. So please follow my channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in next video.